Want to protect your privacy and boost battery life on your iPhone? Here are 5 settings to turn off right now. First, stop sharing your usage data with Apple by opening Settings, tapping Privacy and Security, and choosing Analytics and Improvements. Slide off Share iPhone Analytics, Share iCloud Analytics, and all related toggles. This prevents your device from sending performance and usage reports to Apple. Next, disable personalized advertising. In Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then tap Apple Advertising and switch off personalized ads. That stops Apple from using your app and browsing habits to target ads at you. Third, lock down location services. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Instead of leaving it on for every app, set most apps to while using app or never. Scroll to System Services and turn off anything you do not need, especially significant locations. Then tap Clear History to remove old location logs. Fourth, harden Safari against trackers. Open Settings, tap Safari, and under Privacy and Security enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking, hide IP address, and fraudulent website warnings. This stops websites from following you around the web and protects your data from advertisers. Finally, save battery by disabling background tasks. In Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh and switch it off completely. Go back to Settings, tap Mail, tap Accounts, then Fetch New Data and switch Push off. Set Fetch to Manual so your email only updates when you open the Mail app. Turn off these 5 features today, and you'll enjoy greater privacy and longer battery life without sacrificing anything important. If this helped you, please tap like, share your preferred iPhone tweak in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.